Today, you're going to discover 8 practical tips to become a millionaire, even if you're earning a low salary. These simple strategies will help you start building your wealth now and, with discipline and planning, achieve the financial independence you've been dreaming of. Let's dive in. In 8th place, build multiple streams of income. Relying solely on your regular paycheck can limit your wealth-building potential. Consider creating multiple streams of income, such as freelance work, side businesses, or passive income investments like rental properties. Diversifying your income not only increases financial security, but also accelerates your path to wealth, giving you more resources to save and invest. In 7th place, eliminate debt paying off debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards and personal loans, is crucial for anyone looking to build wealth. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that could be invested. Prioritize paying down debts, starting with the ones that carry the highest interest rates. Negotiate better terms with your creditors if possible, and avoid taking on new debt. Financial freedom begins with getting rid of unnecessary financial obligations. In 6th place, plan your finances. The first step to becoming a millionaire, even on a modest salary, is financial planning. This means knowing exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going. Create a monthly budget that separates essential expenses, like housing, food, and transportation, from discretionary spending. With this clarity, you can identify where to cut back and redirect those funds into savings or investments. Using tools like spreadsheets or finance apps can greatly help in staying organized and in control. In 5th place, avoid unnecessary spending. One of the most common pitfalls that prevent people from saving and investing is spending on things they don't really need. Ask yourself before every purchase, is this truly necessary? Or, will this help me achieve my financial goals? Small, everyday expenses like dining out, branded clothing, or subscription services can add up significantly over time. By cutting out these unnecessary costs, you'll free up more money to invest and grow your wealth. In 4th place, save consistently. Even on a low salary, it's possible to save. The key is consistency. Set aside a fixed percentage of your income to save each month, no matter how small. It might seem challenging at first, but as you build the habit of saving, you'll find that even small amounts can grow into a significant sum over time. The important thing is to treat this money as sacred, something that shouldn't be touched unless it's to invest. In 3rd place, invest regularly. Investing, even in small amounts, is crucial for growing your wealth. Diversify your investments in options that fit your risk tolerance, such as mutual funds, stocks, bonds, or real estate. The power of compound interest works in your favor when you invest regularly and let your money grow over time. Patience and consistency are key here. The longer your money stays invested, the greater your returns will be. In 2nd place, invest in knowledge. Knowledge is one of the most valuable assets you can acquire, and it offers the best returns. Investing in your financial education is crucial for making smart decisions with your money. Seek out books, online courses, seminars, and other resources that help you understand financial markets, how to invest in stocks, real estate, funds, and even your own business ventures. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that can multiply your wealth over time. In 1st place, think long-term. Wealth building doesn't happen overnight, especially when starting with a modest income. It's essential to adopt a long-term mindset, set clear, realistic goals, and make adjustments along the way, but never lose sight of the bigger picture. Patience and persistence are what will ensure that, in the future, you can look back and see how far you've come. Don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term objectives. And to wrap things up, here's an extra tip. Start practicing gratitude for what you already have. This will help you maintain a positive mindset and attract more opportunities for financial growth. If these tips inspired you, subscribe to the channel, check out the video on the screen, and share this content with anyone you think could use this inspiration. Let's continue this journey toward financial independence together.